Don't download Lendai investing app before watching this. If you're thinking about Lendai for investing, hold on. Many people assume it's a fast track to real estate investing, but the surprising truth is that there are several key considerations you need to know before handing over your money. Lendai positions itself as a platform for investing in US real estate, particularly for international investors. It promises easy access to property-backed loans and passive income opportunities. That sounds great, but here's the catch. Most people get this wrong. Lendai is not a full-service property investment platform. You're essentially investing in debt, not owning physical real estate. This means you don't get equity in the property or the ability to directly influence its management. Your returns depend entirely on borrowers repaying their loans on time. Another important factor is risk. Real estate loans can be highly leveraged and defaults are possible, especially if the property market softens. Lendai does offer some protections and vetting of borrowers, but it's not foolproof. For someone expecting guaranteed returns, this could come as a shock. Fees also need to be considered. Lendai charges management fees on investments, which can eat into your profits over time. While the platform is user-friendly and automates much of the process, these fees make it more expensive than traditional REITs or index funds that track real estate. On the plus side, Lendai simplifies cross-border investing. International investors can bypass some of the complex paperwork typically required for US real estate, which is a major convenience. The platform's interface is clean, and you can track performance easily. In conclusion, don't download Lendai expecting a hands-off way to buy US property. It's primarily a debt investment platform with both upside potential and risk. It's best suited for investors comfortable with borrower risk and looking for an alternative way to access the US real estate market. Understanding these limitations upfront will help you make an informed decision and avoid surprises down the road.